Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Shman J. Believe it or not, I've actually gone through 2 or 3 screen protectors with this phone right here, and it definitely wasn't the plan. So I got online to find another tempered glass because I like to have a tempered glass. The screen is scratched already, but this is an affordable buy for me, so I'm going to go ahead and put another tempered glass on there. So I actually did not plan on buying a case for this phone, but this time when I bought the tempered glass, it came with a case. So the other tempered glass setups that I bought 3 tempered glass for $5, and this one came with 2 tempered glass and a case for $5. So I said I might as well get it. I've definitely purchased that brand before. So this one has 2 tempered glass in here and a case. Now, this is clearly just that clear hard case. But folks, this is actually pretty good now that I have it in person. I wasn't going to wear this because I don't really like cases. But nonetheless, this is actually pretty fire. So let's get it brushed off. And if you're a person who wants to show off your phone still, and you don't want to hide that beautiful color, this is actually one that you can actually use. This is actually really, really sweet. And I also use the case as a guide for the tempered glass because this doesn't have a guide on it. So I'm traveling soon, and this is the phone that I'm taking with me, along with my iPhone, because they're 2 small phones. I told you when I travel, I like to have a small phone in my pocket. And so I have more than one phone number, so I chose to use this instead of the Razr Fold. I really like this case, man. The power button is good. Volume rocker, nice and tactile. Camera cutout now. It's got some protection. Pardon me. AI button. Microphones are out on the top, and all cutouts on the bottom. Well, let's get this tempered glass put on here. This is the 3rd tempered glass that this phone has seen. Crazy enough, I'm telling you, man, I'm horrible with dropping phones. I'll drop a phone in a minute. People in my group laugh at me because I crack a screen like once a month, sometimes twice. So here is the stuff we need to get this all set up with. You've got a little microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, 2, and 2 dust removals. So I'll just throw these aside here. We'll get this all done up here. This will probably crack too while I'm on vacation. I don't know. This will probably crack too, but I'm just gonna keep putting them on because they're cheap and affordable. And I don't want to spend. I think all the money that I spend on these, like, there's really no guarantee that if you buy a $40 tempered glass, that it's going to last. And I'm not dropping the phone a lot. It's just like I'll have my keys in my pocket or something like that, and then next thing you know, the screen's cracked when I take it out, and so that's all on me. So the screen on this one is actually scratched now, but you know, I use my phones. I use them, and I make sure I get my money's worth. The facial recognition on this thing is really good, and the fingerprint reader is extraordinary. Yeah, there's a little scratch on this screen, and I mean, folks, I really don't care. This phone is a really good phone. It's affordable, and I like it. So I'm going to use it. So now I'm going to peel this off. So hopefully this quality is better than the other ones that I was using before. The other ones I thought they were good, but they cracked really easy. So all right, as you can see, it's sealing up there, and it's doing its thing. So we'll see how long this one lasts me. We'll see how long this one lasts, and we will keep it pushing here. It's sealed up nice, no bubbles. Let's check the facial recognition on here. Works good. So that means the front camera is going to be working good as well. But there you have it, man. A nice $5 tempered glass and case combo. And make sure when you put this on, you don't put the glass too high because the speaker is up there. So it's enough to where, man, I've been putting on tempered glass so long. I actually lined this one up perfectly, and I didn't even try to. There's a speaker up top that you don't need to cover up. And then you've got Is the glass cracked already? I thought it was cracked already. Oh, that's the bottom. Is it? What the heck? Let me see. You see this area down here? Or is that the wall? Oh, maybe that's the wall. Oh, that's the wallpaper. I was gonna say, God, I already cracked this one. That's bad. That's the wallpaper. That dark area down there. But yeah, man, make sure you put it on to where it's right just over the screen portion. This phone has very thin bezels. It looks really good. The facial recognition still works perfectly fine because this is a full covered camera type deal. And again, the buttons are nice and tactile. The case, this is going to do good because it's just going to be a phone case that was $5 with 2 tempered glass. This is actually pretty fire. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.